everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create the concert glow effect, a trending AI photo style that makes your picture look like it's taken live on stage, like you are an idol and glowing under concert lights. And here we will do it using Gemini's Nano Banana tool, which lets you edit photos instantly using just a prompt. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or through the app like this, and then make sure you are logged in with your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on create image to activate the Nano Banana, or you can also activate it by tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This feature is super powerful because it uses AI to transform your photos with just one command. And then next, just upload the photo that you want to edit. Just tap on plus button and then gallery, and then just choose your photo like this. You can just upload any photo that you like it could be a selfie or maybe a portrait or any photo where your face is clearly visible. And once it's uploaded, let's type in a prompt. Before, I have already wrote prompt like this. You can just copy this prompt exactly, or feel free if you want to tweak it a little, maybe like change the color tones or maybe accessories details or maybe lighting and anything that you want, just edit it as you like. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it, and when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, in just a few moments your photo is ready. Just look at this. It turns your regular photo into a stunning concert shot, complete with glowing lights and that superstar energy. Next, you can save it and then just post it on your social media. And so that's how you can create the concert glow effect using Gemini's Nano Banana. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.